Route updated.
Thank you, Ara. Yo, how we doing today?
All right. How are you?
I am fantabulous. Out pretending to work today.
Okay.
We like that, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Betcha. Ready to go on a long trip here?
Oh no.
See if we can handle this long of a trip.
Safely. No, I want to go to the bank first. The Bank of America, right over by Safeway there.
Oh, in the Safeway parking lot?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You want me to drop you off there?
Yes.
Okay. Change the address that we're dropping off at the Bank of America near that address.
Sorry, which address are you referring to for the Bank of America drop-off? Give me the specific spot or name, and I'll update the route.
The one near the Safeway that we're going to right now.
Done. I've changed the drop-off to the Bank of America Financial Center at 17,250 408th Avenue, Southeast in Renton. It's 0.4 miles from the Safeway, and we're 4 minutes away. Route updated.
Thank you, Ara.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
We made it for you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your day, huh? Betcha.
Okay, that's the end of that video, and I just kind of wanted to finish it off on a positive note. I hope you learned something today, and let's be safe out there.